Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a must-have for any avid baker or home chef: the Farielyn-X stackable cupcake carrier holders. These stackable cupcake trays aren't just any containers. They're crafted with precision and practicality in mind. Ideal for storing and transporting your delicate creations, they're made from the sturdiest PET plastic, ensuring durability without compromising on clarity. Let's talk about what sets these apart. Each container can securely hold 12 cupcakes, with a unique high dome lid that gives your cupcakes ample space for those extravagant toppings. No more worries about your icing sticking to the lid when you transport them. The crystal clear design not only showcases your treats beautifully but also protects them from any mishaps on the go. Whether it's for a bake sale, a party, or just storage in your pantry, these containers keep your cupcakes fresh and looking their best. What impressed me most is the material quality. These aren't your flimsy cupcake carriers, they're built to last. With a robust structure that supports the weight of your cupcakes without bending or collapsing. Imagine effortlessly carrying a dozen cupcakes with just one hand, thanks to their sturdy build. Perfect for both professional bakers and at-home enthusiasts, these containers are reusable and easy to clean, ensuring they'll be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. And it's not just cupcakes. These versatile containers are great for storing cookies, muffins, macarons, and more. They're a go-to solution for any occasion, from birthdays to weddings, ensuring your treats arrive fresh and intact. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best in cupcake trays, look no further than the Farielyn-X stackable cupcake carrier holders. They combine durability, practicality, and visual appeal in one sleek package. Whether you're a professional baker or a passionate home chef, these containers are a game changer. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. Until next time, happy baking!